Let's try factoring this trinomial that has a denominator of 2. So the first thing we should do is to pull out that fraction, 1/2. So now we have x squared plus 2x, because 1/2 times 2x is just x, and minus 8. Again, 1/2 times -8 is -4. And don't stop here, we now have trinomial factoring. X times x is -8. And the question is, what times what is -8? Let's try 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is -8. But as we can see, positive wins. So because positive wins, we're going to put that in front of the bigger number, which is 4. So we have a positive here, and we have a negative here. 4 times -2 is -8. So here's your final answer.